Okay, so next one is, when will we meet again? So we met at orientation last year. We meet today for the midpoint workshop, and the next meeting will be on the graduation day. Okay, it's spring, the May 2020, right? Is correct? Right. Okay. So don't forget grad check to graduate yearly. Okay. So this is about graduation check. So Ms. Camille Johnson will introduce about this graduation check.
Thank you. All right, so in order to be considered a candidate for graduation, you first have to apply for candidacy. Just because you completed all of your coursework and your project doesn't necessarily make you a candidate. So we advise that you apply for graduation about a semester to a year before you actually plan to graduate. So since y'all are assuming you're going to graduate spring 2020, so try to apply now. You can do that through your student portal. I think it's under the academics tab. You can do apply for graduation, just do all that, pay the fee, and then you'll be listed as a candidate. And if something happens and you don't end up graduating, God forbid, you can always just push that back. But it's better to have that in the system now rather than to wait. So after you apply for graduation, pay the fee, then Graduate Studies pulls that list, and then they send it to our office to do the grad checks. So basically it's just verifying your study plan, verifying that you've met all the requirements. You'll be receiving some documents in the email saying, hey, this is what you need to complete, which will be 597 and that one other class that you have to do. So after you receive that documentation, there's not a whole lot more you need to do except for read my emails and read the emails from commencement at fullerton.edu, which will give you information about the ceremony. And was there a question?
Did you say we can apply for the graduation check now, or we should do it next semester?
You can do it now, because I think they accept that for up to 1 year in advance. Any other questions? No?
Due date may be February, right? February.
Yeah. So I'll be sending out emails with that information, just because I don't know off the top of my head, but I'll let you know how long you have to actually get that all in. And there is such a thing as doing it late, but don't do that.
Thank you. Okay, the last one is question and answers. We have already many question and answers. If you have any question and answers, you can ask me right now, or you can email me anytime.